Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Blackview model and Android version because options differ by build. Once you verify that, unlock the phone. If Talkback is active, remember to double-tap items and use two-finger scrolling. This avoids accidental selections. Open Settings. Tap once to highlight, then double-tap to enter. Make sure the battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. If you see voice prompts, follow them while you proceed to Accessibility. You now go to Accessibility in Settings. If the menu is deep, use the search bar and type Accessibility to jump straight there. Once inside, find Talkback or Screen Reader. Single tap to focus the entry, then double tap to open its page. Understand why. Talkback changes gestures and tap behavior, so you must use two-finger swipes to scroll. Locate the on/off switch, focus it, then double tap to toggle Talkback off. Confirm any prompt to finish turning it off. Once done, verify that Talkback is off by tapping the home screen. If you hear no continuous speech, single tap should work again. If the switch won't respond, reboot the phone. To access the power menu while Talkback runs, use a two-finger swipe down for quick settings, then double tap power. If problems persist, use the accessibility shortcut, triple tap or volume key combo to toggle, or in worst cases, go to Apps, find Talkback, and disable or uninstall updates to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.